Yan ang...
Tuwing walang Miss Dorina!
Yes, at ang tunay kong ka-love team ay si Miss Sherry Hill. Yan talaga ang ka-love team ko. Well, hindi ka-love team siguro, pero yan ang partner ko. And Casey was in my tummy. I keep telling Casey
This
that.
time?
Yeah, you were... Yeah, I was shooting and promoting until mga 7-8 months ako. Pregnant. I was shooting this whole... Kasi I was pregnant when I was doing Sa Hirap at Ginhawa before this. So, maliit pa. And then, here, lumalaki na ng paunti-unti. Tapos, nung sinasabi nilang, takpan niya yung tiyan. So, may bookshelf o kaya may lampshade. Mamaya, sabi ni Papang Leroy, who took over kasi na ospital ang original director na si Tito Maning Borlaza. But Tito Leroy, ganun talaga si Papang. Ang old school na respeto nila sa isa't isa. Sabi niya, no. Pagdating sa directorial credits, give it all to Maning. That's his movie. So sa ending, that was Papang. That still goes down, not because it's mine, but it goes down as one of the best endings in Philippine movie history.
Pasabog talaga.
Tapos, syempre, it was my first full-length movie with Christopher De Leon. But I have to say, without Lavinia, hindi magiging effective si Dorina. Sherry is talagang has been such a key factor in a lot of my success. I have to give credit
Kahit
to Sherry.
hanggang ngayon,
You know,
closing.
meron akong backstory.
Yes, ate.
We both went to St. Paul Pasig. So I was in grade 5, she was in grade 7. I was a member of the St. Paul Pasig, College Pasig Glee Club. She was the president. Tapos, parang tinitignan ko siya na, anak nila Rosemary.
Ganyan
Tapos
talaga siya,
may
ate.
siya.
Ganyan talaga siya.
Bata pa siya, hindi siya mataray, pero meron siyang bearing. May
Class.
presence talaga si Sherry. Kaya sa shooting namin, talagang, kunyari, ano bang movies, ang dami na kasi. So, minsan may eksena, alam ko, conference room. Pagpasok niya, pag-action, ba talaga tong kumadre ko? Pagpasok pa lang, talagang presence. Presence is presence. My name is Sherry Hill. Kailangan ko si Lavinia dito. Wala si Dorina kung wala si Lavinia dyan.
Grabe.
I have to give
nakakaloka.
Sherry half of the credit for this movie. I cannot take it all. And syempre, Christopher, 100%.
Totoo.
Alam mo kaya, fan din kasi ako. Movie fan ako. Tapos, fan ako ng nila Barbara Streisand, ganyan. You know, I love my fans and I try to really give time to them pag nakikita ko sila. Kasi, alam mo ikaw, nakaupo ka lang, naka-aircon ka, mini-makeupan ka ng makeup artist mo. Para ka Reyna, kahit saan ka pumunta. Sila, mag-iipon. Minsan magka-cut class or aalis sa opisina. Minsan bawas sweldo. Magko-commute.
May tarpaulin.
May tarpaulin, magpapagawa. Tapos, may budget for food. Tapos, ko-commute uli. Rain or shine. Baha, bagyo, kahit ano. Para sa ko, pag minahal nyo ako, lahat minamahal nyo. Lahat ng mahal ko. Si Casey, si Frankie, si Miguel. But everybody, lahat, parang nakasuporta. I'm very grateful for that. Kasi kahit nung wala ako, talagang I hit my lowest point in my career. Yung ang taba-taba ko. That's why I made an effort. Kasi to lose weight is because I knew, alam nila yung journey na nagpapapayat siya. So, they all call me Nay also or Mama. So, parang nagpapapayat siya. So, kahit sa movie na tumataba siya, yung next niya pumapayat siya. They know that. So, and whether or not, nandyan sila.